Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Lovqian Alkhadid. I'm from PWI 3A. I'd like to explain about hot potatoes, which can make us easy to make exercise. Okay, why? There are 5 types in this application that you can choose. First, G-close, second, G-make, and third, G-cross, then G-mix and G-quiz. I prefer use G-quiz because it's very simple. There are any column that you have to fulfill when you use it. First, title, question and answer column. First, you must write down the title about animal, and the question is plant-eating animal called, and you must fulfill the answer column. A. Herbivore. B. Carnivore. C. Omnivore. And D. Amphibian. Then you must click correct beside the column answer, which is the correct. After do it all, you must save it by clicking this icon. Choose your file destination, insert the name, then click save. That is how to use hot potatoes. Thank you.